All right, in this video, I wanted to take a look at two different stocks. They're going to be chip names. So we are here on MICRON or MU, ticker symbol MU. They are in the NASDAQ and they hit $1 trillion market cap today, hitting an all-time high of 916.74. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart here. This daily chart is huge move to the upside. Made a low of $63 and it traded up at $916 today. So back in 2024, all of 2024, essentially, we had a sideways action here and they just took a leap to the upside, hitting all-time highs today at, like I said, 916. And a good, really opening range breakout trade this could have been on MU. 15-minute opening range here. We traded, we opened up, the market opened up here and traded on its highs. So right here, there would have been no trade. This candle right here would have been a really good entry, especially breaking over this 5-minute candle here at 8:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we had just a move, so it would have broke 862, and you could have got $50 worth of a push to the upside, if not a little bit more there. So MU, they are projecting to have a 70% growth rate next year as well, but then the years after that are not looking hot. So I'm not saying that MU right now or MICRON is being overvalued, but I think the price is reflecting future growth, right? Future growth and in 2027, and then but after that 2028, 2029, and into 2020 or 2030, it's going to slow down a lot, I believe, and you might see some profit taking maybe at the end of this year, if not earlier than that. They might even do a stock split at some point, because I know a lot of the times where stocks get to about $1,000 a share, like NVDA, like Tesla. Previously, they do a reverse stock split or a stock split, and then the price goes back down to 10-for-1 stock split goes back down to 100 once they get to $1,000. So MICRON hitting a $1 trillion market cap today, and let's see what its competitor here, NVIDIA, not doing so hot. Just technical analysis here on NVIDIA. If we have a on the daily chart, let's just keep it at the 15-minute. On the 15-minute chart here, all-time highs there on May 14th, which was last week sometime. We had hit all-time highs. Looks like a double top here, and then we opened up lower that on the 15th that next day, and we've been just trending to the downside today, or trending to the downside ever since, right? I know NVIDIA's CEO actually went to China to have talks with Trump and a few other CEOs of big tech and other companies to talk about what China was going to be doing with chips and all that other stuff. But I don't think anything came into fruition with that meeting. But as you see here, we've been having a slide to the downside ever since. I don't know how far NVIDIA can go before we start, having a rebound here, but around this area, around that 214 area, does look like a pretty good spot where we are bouncing off of. Today, we had 15-minute opening range here, traded on its highs, and then around 9:30, we had a move to the downside and then trading below that 15-minute opening range. So, doing technical analysis on NVIDIA, we're on a downtrend. I want to see a move back up, break this downtrend and a close, right? A break and close above this downtrend, so you can see maybe a move back to the upside. And then on MU, I mean, your guess is as good as mine. MU, it's a blue sky setup where we're hitting all-time highs ever since back on the 8th of May earlier this month. About 3 weeks ago now. So yeah, you have to do your own due diligence, and like I said, MICRON is just hitting all-time highs over and over again. So that's all I have for this video. If you want more technical analysis on stocks, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.